What about you?
I noticed that today you're anti-tech. You're like, who needs 120 hertz? You're like, I don't need to unlock my car. I rode in here in a horse and buggy today.
Yeah.
You're anti-tech today.
Jalopy.
You're anti-tech. Oh, I saw this one. Tesla introduces a Cyberquad for kids with a 15-mile range. I was very upset that, well, two things. I couldn't order it. It was U.S. only, so I would have ordered it. But also, number two, that it's not the full-fledged Cyberquad. This says it's for children aged 8 or older, and it goes 10 miles per hour. And I know adults are going to rip around on it. But what we really want is the Cyberquad that we've seen with the Cybertruck. And I don't know when you can order that. This is a reduced scale replica of the Cybertruck Sidekick. And, you know, something I noticed is Tesla or Elon, they're trying to sell these kind of merchy products, because I did order the whistle.
Yes.
Which was this $50. Elon kind of goofed on the Apple cloth and then put out this whistle. He's like, forget about the cloth. Get our whistle. It's a $50 whistle. It's obviously goofy. And if I didn't have this YouTube channel and I wasn't going to goof around and play with it, I wouldn't pay $50 for it, to be clear.
Yeah.
Like,
it's made out of steel, though, right?
No, I like the shape of it and everything. It's a nice object.
Cool.
But to be clear, there's a lot of things I think sometimes people misinterpret what you do in this lifestyle. Like, since you're constantly making videos, you're justifying all these weird instantaneous purchases because you're like, well, I'm going to look at it and talk about it. It's going to become some form of content. And then people can look at that and say, oh, he really loves spending money on this wild, weird stuff. But in reality, it's like, hey, full transparency. If I couldn't make a video and examine it, it's not an instant buy for me.
Yeah.
I would be far more considerate, just as you are at home.
Yeah, exactly.
But anyway, this is cool. I know a lot of kids, my kids would want something like this. It's not the quickest thing in the world, 10 miles per hour. I mean, we have those little scooters that are around here that are 25, 10 miles an hour. It's like a Power Wheels, maybe a little faster.
Yeah. I almost feel like there's going to be people that's just going to tweak the hell out of it and just make it super quick, add some crazier wheels.
For sure that's going to happen. They're going to boost it up. They're going to take the governor, rip the governor right off there and break the law.
Very cool, though.
No, absolutely, yeah. I mean, if I got to have a Power Wheels, then that's the Power Wheels that I want.